to all the friends. Have you ever heard about the team Bruno Groening? We just saw his picture. You might have heard about Bruno Groening from your parents, from your relatives, and from your elders. But he wants to help everyone. Bruno Groening wants to be a helper and friend. Once, little Sarah asked for some help in a classroom. Do you know what happened to little Sarah in a classroom? Let us go to the classroom and see what happened to Sarah. Good morning, children. All of you write essay.
All of you write essay.
I'm so sad. Nothing is coming into my mind about this topic. What I will do? Please, can somebody help me? Oh, Bruno. I did not see you. Sorry. See, look, Bruno, my empty pages in my notebook. I really want good marks. Please, Bruno, I believe that you help me, Bruno. Please. I got it.
Good
morning, sir.
Today I will give you your first marks. Who got the marks first, you know?
We don't.
Sarah got the first marks in the class. I will give the marks to the Pranita marks. This is Samir marks. This is Ma. Kamal. This one is Ananta. This one is Pooja. This one is David. This one is Tejaswini, Ananta. This one is Sarah. And I will also give you the chocolate 5 star.
Thank you so much, Bruno. Thank you.
Oh, do you know? Sarah's wishes have been fulfilled. She got the best mark, the first mark for her essay. Isn't it wonderful? I have already told you, Bruno Groening wants to be a helper and friend. Many people have realized about it. I'm sure, would you also like to? Bruno Groening was born on May 30th in Danzig, 1906. Do you know? As he himself writes about his own childhood days. Once, many people used to come to him, adults and children. Whenever there was some commotions or quarrel, they used to become calm with his company. And once a child wanted to hit Bruno, and do you know what happened? Something strange happened. Let's see what happened.
What is happening? Who is hitting me?
Yes, everything, creating, speak or even do comes back to life sooner or later.
Bruno, I will never do that again. Sorry. Let us be friends.
So, even as a child, Bruno was special and an example for us.
you little Brony? What are you doing here?
Your parents are searching for you. I heard that your father is angry.
I feel so good here in nature. Here I get so much energy and I even experience God in each bush, in each tree, in each animal. It is so wonderful.
Thank you for understanding.
Yes, I understand you well. I also like to be here. But don't stay here much longer. It will be dark soon.
Thank you for understanding me. I can't talk with anyone about these things.
It's okay.
What are you planning to do with all these pieces of bread? Do you want to eat them all?
No, no, but I can see what the future will bring us. People of many nations will fight. There will be misery and war. I believe grown ups call it war. We will have two big wars within the next few decades, and many will be struck by them. So I am going to bury this bread so that my family will have something to eat then.
Okay, I understood you well. I also like to be here. Don't stay longer. Come home.
Yes, as Bruno has predicted, there were two terrible wars, and there were a lot of sufferings and also fights. But people in Germany were also having their troubles and sufferings and lot of problems. But by this time, Bruno has become a grown-up man. The family of Halsman invited Bruno to come to Herford, a town in Germany. Their son, his daughter, had a burden, progressive muscular dystrophy. None of the doctors could help him. Bruno visited their house and later was lying in his bed. Bruno spoke to him, after which the boy could get up and walk. The family of Halsman spread this news all around and many healings started happening. They even spoke about this to the newspaper and many people started approaching Bruno to seeking their help. Thousands of people came to Bruno seeking help. Is that not wonderful?
Special news. Bruno Groni paper. Bruno Groni.
What is happening here? What is happening here? What is happening here?
What is happening here? We are waiting for Bruno Groening. He is going to speak with us from that balcony. We want to get our health back. Healthy? From Bruno Groening? Yes. Bruno Groening said that he is not healing, but it is divine power that heals. And yes, he is able to transmit this power just through his words. Yesterday, someone came here who had been suffering from headaches. No doctor could help him, but he felt tingling and suddenly the headache was gone, had just disappeared. Yes.
Groaning is here.
Groaning is here.
Groaning is here.
C.
Oh, I can see. I can see.
పైన చూడు,
Oh, I can see.
సైడ్ లెక్క చూడు.
Oh, I can see.
నువ్వు లేదు ఇప్పుడు యాక్షన్.
I can walk. I can walk. I can walk.
I can walk. I can walk.
I can walk. I can walk.
I can hear. I can hear. I can hear.
Scenes like this repeat themselves here in Germany and Rosenheim in Germany and Hereford. But many people started becoming healthy and happy. But unfortunately, there were a group of people like lawyers and doctors who started blaming Bruno Groening. But Bruno was not allowed to speak in public. He was allowed to speak only in small groups. But when he was allowed to speak in public, he went to the other world. But he is not physically with us, but he always helps. As he promised, when someone calls me, help will be rendered. So we trust and believe the divine power helps and heals. Bruno Groening predicted everybody must die. Even I must die. But whoever calls me, I will be there to help. In spite of these clear words, many of his friends do not want to know more about him. They said, gone is gone. One of the very few faithful souls was Mrs. Great Heusler. She was fortunate to experience 3 big healings for herself. She writes about it. She witnessed something special She had a cleaning woman and she was blind for 14 years. Once, this helper woman, when she was cleaning the picture of Bruno, the Bruno's picture fell down and shattered into pieces. But then later, what happened? Let's see.
Do you know who is this man in the picture?
No. I don't know who is this man in the picture. Sorry. It fell down from my hands.
That is Bruno Groening. Through him, I got my evils.
Oh, Bruno Groening? What is happening in my body? Some electric current is passing foot to head. Oh, Bruno Groening.
Mrs. Great Häusler continues to report. In that very first instance, the helper woman, she felt the health strong, and then I told her about Bruno Groening and about my personal experiences with him. A few days later, she came back with a total healed eye. That was the first healing after Bruno Groening had gone home. Mrs. Great Häusler had one big wish in her heart. Everyone should hear about Bruno Groening and his teaching. Everyone should have the chance to be healthy and happy. And so she started to work and established Bruno Groening Circle of Friends. She visited many countries around the world to tell everyone about the teaching of Bruno Groening. That is how Bruno Groening Circle of Friends started worldwide. Since then, youth, children and adults meet in community hours worldwide. In 2007, Mrs. Great Häusler went home and his son, Mr. Dieter Häusler, continued what she started. Now there are many friends all over many countries and on all continents on earth. Like as Bruno said, I will build a ring around the world. So there are so many communities and so many friends worldwide, so many nations, so many skin colors, so many religions. But for Bruno Groening, one thing was already sure. Human being is a human being. There are no differences. We are all children of God and we are all equal. You know, Mrs. Häusler visited India several times, and since then we know about Bruno Groening and his teachings. And many people experience health and healings through these teachings, and it has started happening since then. I would like to take you all to visit the Children Community Hour today.
Sit straight. Keep your belly bones. Keep your palms open. Close your eyes. Now I request to read the poem.
Forgiveness. Oh, feel, dear soul, how much God loves you so deeply and immeasurably, and forgives you everything. Everything that happened when you were separated from Him, He has long since forgiven. His heart knows only love. And for this reason, dear soul, do forgive yourself as well. Be happy and trust Him. Turn around and face the light. Thank you.
I am going to ask you some questions concerning to Bruno Groening. Now, what do we do in the community hour? Sarah, can you tell me what we do in the community hour?
Bruno calls it separating and give away.
So, what is separating and give away? What is that Bruno is telling? He is telling, think that there is a dustbin. We all have so much of sufferings, pain in our body, whatever in our feelings. So what we have to do, leave away all those things, think that there is a dustbin, throw everything into the dustbin and later Bruno empties it. Now, do you think only we have to throw away all the good things there or anything else we should ask Bruno?
No, it's not enough. We want to need good things also.
Very good. We need even good things. We have removed all our sufferings. Bruno has removed all of our sufferings. Do you think only that is enough or we want even good things? We need some good gifts also from Bruno. So what we have to do is we have to ask Bruno for good gifts. So this asking that gifts, Bruno will give us the gifts. So this we call it as, in the Bruno Groening friend, we call it as hailstorm. What do we call? Hailstorm. We call it as a hailstorm. So now, so how to do this hailstorm? When to do this hailstorm? Only in the community hour like this? Is it enough?
We should sit straight on chair and we should not cross our arms and legs. We should open our palms and put it on thighs. We should close our eyes for some few minutes.
Right. So as he said, installing is nothing but we have to sit straight, keep our palms open to the sky, get all the energy from nature. And we should not cross our leg. As scientifically it is said that electricity flows from one side and it comes out through the other side. So we should never cross our legs. And next thing, do we all have charging our mobile phones? Do we all charge? Yes or no? Yes. Do we charge it once in a month or do you charge it daily? Daily. Yes, we have to charge it daily. So do we need divine blessings every day?
Yes.
Yes. So what we have to do in the Bruno Groening, we always do prayers that is called as instilling morning 9 o'clock and night 10 o'clock. Every day, twice we have to do instilling so that we get the full energy from Bruno. So Bruno always tells that. What is the great word of Bruno?
Trust and believe. Divine power helps and heals.
Yes, this is what Bruno always tells. Trust and believe the divine power helps and heals. So we have to trust Bruno and Bruno will do what all we require in this life. So now here Bruno always tells us to do think good, do good and also see good. Yes, I would also like to share my success with you. I am working as a teacher in a school in Hyderabad. Every year after the examinations, we are asked to come to a particular place for corrections. So in the April month when I went for corrections, after 3 days of correction, I started having swelling in my legs. Every year I come for correction but I didn't have any pain. But this year when I went for correction, I had the pain. But I have not applied any ointment or I didn't go to any doctor. I only believed in insulin. I did insulin 3 times a day and then I found that there was certain relief. 50% of my pain has gone. Again I attended the IGR, the inter-community hours and then my entire swelling and the pain has gone. After that also I had my corrections. I did my corrections for another 10 days but I didn't have any pain at all. So thank you Bruno, thank you God. So this is how we get experience from the life of Bruno.
Mrs. Krishnamurthy, as a teacher, has to stand or sit for long hours a day. After sitting for 3 more days, she started to feel certain pain in her feet. Her feet got swollen. She didn't take any medicine. She thought to relieve her condition by attending the IGR for consecutive days. And after that, even though she sat for 4 more days for the same continued hours, she didn't feel any pain and she continued her work. This help cannot be explained medically.
Now, I now request Hariharan to share his success.
This is Hari, and I belonged to the youth community in Hyderabad, India. This is my report regarding bronchial asthma. Since my birth, whenever I caught a cold, I would not only have fever and sniffing, but also suffer breathing difficulties. I had attacks of shortness of breath, wheezing, and coughing. At the age of 3, my doctor recommended Crocin and Broncho Plus syrup as a tablet for recovering from asthma. Whenever I took these, I would feel certain relief, but the problem would occur again at least twice a month. This problem became more severe during the cold weather, or whenever I ate cold food or drank something cold. These attacks would wake me up at night, and I would not be able to help with household work or meet friends or other people. During the winter times, this would become even more prominent. I always had the feeling that I would choke. Nevertheless, I could not get used to the idea of having this as a problem for the rest of my life. During January 2006, I was introduced by my mother to the teachings of Bruno Groening. I, at first, wasn't sure if the teachings would really help me recover from some ailment which has been there from childhood. After the introduction during the community hour, I visited the regional conference. Although I insisted my mom that I'm actually not well during the time, I still made it a point to make it to the regional conference through the insistence of my mother that the hailstorm will help me recover, and I trust and believe that the teachings would help me recover from my asthma. I continued through the day of the regional conference, and through the end of the day, I almost recovered by almost 80% of the asthma I had. I could not believe this transformation within a single day, but as I learned through the teachings, I continued to believe that the divine power can help and heal and overcome my ailment. Over time, I realized my asthma attacks stopped and I could breathe normally even during cold weathers and while drinking and eating cold foods.
Bronchial asthma is a chronic disabling disorder of airways that may run in a family. Exposure to specific allergies or dust triggers the attack of breathlessness. Initially, the disease is reversible, but later it can be treated only symptomatically. Hariharan's asthma for 17 years with no medical relief was cured within 3 days. This healing cannot be explained from the medical point of view, but can be attributed to spiritual healing.
Next we will see the success from the special community, Akila, who is there in this Bruno Groening Circle of Friends right from the time when Mrs. Faisler visited Hyderabad.
What is your name? My name is Akila. You from how long are you in the community? I'm here in the community for more than 20 years.
And did you experience any healing?
Yeah, I did experience in healing.
Yes. And do you remember Mrs. Heusler?
Yeah, I remember.
Yeah. She came to your special community.
She came to our special community.
She named it a special community.
She named it as special community.
Our Swayam Krishi was named as
Our Swamkursi was named as
special community.
special community.
And I got a healing.
And I got a healing.
And how many children are here in this Swayam Krishi?
More than 120.
Yes. And you do Ainsley morning 9 o'clock and night 9 o'clock.
Yeah, I do both morning and night. Both the times I do healing.
Yes. Ainsley.
Usually I do both.
And if anybody is not well?
If anybody is not well also, I pray for them.
Yes. And what healing did you get?
Huh?
What healing did you get from the skin? You used to have?
I used to have skin problem. So by having skin problem, after doing this Bruno Bruni, it healed.
Completely healed. Show your hands.
Completely healed. And now slowly my cough and cold is also reducing because of doing Bruno Bruni.
And you're able to speak?
Yeah, and I'm able to speak nicely.
And you're able to study?
I'm able to study also.
And your friend went for the national for playing?
Yeah, one of my friends, Ami and Gayatri, they both went to this Greece for handball. I'm happy that I'm taking part
Feeling Bruno.
in healing process.
Yes. I'm thankful to Bruno.
And I'm thankful to Bruno. I wish everyone good healing. Thank you, Bruno Bruni.
Yes, children and dear friends, now we are attending the children community hour. So also we have youth communities and adult communities in India and worldwide. Friends meet once in 21 days to attend the community hours. Each community will have community leader, success reporter and treasurer and many other helpers. So worldwide it is followed like this. And Mr. Heusler is our leader for the whole world. And we also have mentors from various states and countries who are helping us. It's so wonderful to be in the circle of friends, to experience many things, help and healings. So friends, in this children community hour, we have Krishnamurthy from the youth community. Krishnamurthy, would you like to share something to this community hour of children?
Good evening everybody. Hi, yes, I belong to the youth community. Now, apart from having community hours, we also take nature walks and go on hiking week. I believe since we are allowed to experience this, all of us are so happy about it. Let me just take you out on a virtual tour of the Shimla hiking week.
Trees, bushes, cries of birds. That's it.
My hand is a banana. I came to know about Bruno Groening from Geeta, and she just one day she used to come for holidays. She came with these schooling books, and it was just like, who's this white person saying all these things, and it was just so weird. But then there were results when Geeta did Einstein, for especially for my cats and for other things, injuries and stuff. And so I just call her and tell her, please do whatever you do. And then she went to the hiking week in 2010, and she was like, I'm going to Shimla. And we were like, my mother, my dad, I was like, what? It's so far away. She's like, no, I'm going. And she and Ramesh and there was a big contingent from Hyderabad, and they all went together. What happened was in 2011, I think in November, the documentary film was shown for the first time in India. And she told us that you're all coming with me. And so I went with her, and my dad also went. And the documentary film, I don't know what happened. My arms were just burning up, just literally on fire. And I was moving it like that to put it down, like make it like a bit lighter. And I said, what is happening? She's like, that's the high stroke. I didn't know what it meant, but it was okay, something good. And then my back was just, I was like, this seat is awful. And I was like, what is this? But the thing was what he said, his face, his voice, and what he said, and how the thing worked. And that was just so moving. And it's like, for me, this is where I want to be, you know. The thing is that karma is everything for us. Okay, it's like ingrained in your life. And here is someone who says that I can heal you, you will go through Regulungan, but you'll be free. And for me, that was what it was. Because it said that Regulungan meant that my karma was getting over now. That means it's not like putting a band-aid on something, it's healing. And I had so many burdens, and it was like, my God, I felt so stupid. For 3 years, just ignoring it. Just like really, I felt like an idiot. Just after I had my introduction lecture, my mother fell ill and passed away. And she had been ill for a long time. And 6 months later, or 5 months later, it was a hiking week. And I didn't know what to expect. I didn't understand what Geeta was talking about, the depth of what it meant. She just kept saying, it's so wonderful, and I didn't understand what it was. And then when I came here, and I just felt so good, and I didn't realize the past 6 months and past time how dark everything was inside. And suddenly it just felt like there was so much of peace, and it was like a release of all bad things, and that was like just the beginning. And it gave me so much. I don't know, inside it just feels so peaceful, and it's just so wonderful. And it's like being in the moment. You try to be in the moment, but it happens automatically here. In day-to-day life, it doesn't happen. And it was just like a cloud was lifting from me. And only then that I understood what Geeta said and what people say about nature and the hiking week as such. From that time, it's like every hiking week is already booked in advance.
ओहरे ताल मिले नदी के जल में, नदी मिले सागर में, सागर मिले कौन से जल में, कोई जाने ना। ओहरे ताल मिले नदी के जल में, नदी मिले सागर में, सागर मिले कौन से जल में, कोई जाने ना। ओहरे ताल मिले नदी के जल में, सूरज को धरती तरसे, धरती को चंद्रमा, धरती को चंद्रमा, पानी में सीप जैसे प्यासी हर आत्मा, प्यासी हर आत्मा। तो आ गई।
आ गए। गिर जाओगे डायरेक्ट नीचे। Thank you.
I think initially it was the whole feeling hailstorm, slight tingling in my fingers that I made me a bit curious about what it is. And then when our community leader said that if something happens, I can say I don't accept it. I tried it, and I was playing squash, and my own racket hit my hand really hard, and I saw it becoming black and blue and swollen, and I remembered that line from the community hour that I don't accept it, and then to continue doing whatever one was doing. So when I did that, and after half an hour when I saw there was nothing on my hand, so that was very surprising for me. I think all the people who are there in the circle, they're good people, and I connect with them and feels like a spiritual family. I really value this spiritual life and this path that I feel I am on. Not too many people in my family are on this spiritual path, so it feels very comfortable to have people that I can discuss God in such a deep and meaningful way. So I really value that. I value the teachings of Bruno Groening. I think they're fairly simple. You don't really have to do too much, to be connected to God. And there have been so many helps and healings that have happened, and so it's just easy. So that's why I'm still here. Yes. I'm here in India, in the Himalayas. You might be wherever you are. So really, from the bottom of my heart, I wish you all the best for this journey, and love from everybody here in India and from me. All the best.
Wasn't it wonderful? And this is how Bruno Groening brought all of us together, and this is how he leads the way for all of us. This is something very special.
So dear friends, now you heard the wonderful healing reports, and also you had the virtual tour to Shimla. Hope you all enjoyed visiting Shimla now. Now we have regional conferences and national conferences in the country, in various parts, in various cities like Pune, Delhi, Hyderabad, and also in Rajkot. And all these friends from different parts of India visit and attend this national conference. It is really a joy of getting together and knowing about Bruno Groening and receiving help. As Bruno has promised, he is always there for us forever. Isn't it wonderful, friends? So, this is the reason we attend the community hours, we attend the regional conference, we attend the national conference. It's a joy to be together to receive help and healings. So, we are lucky. As children, you all are very lucky to be in the children community of Bruno Groening Circle of Friends. And as you grow up, you will go to the youth community, then to the adult community. So, I wish you all the best from the bottom of my heart, and thank you, Bruno, and thanks to God that we are allowed to be in the circle of friends to experience this help and healings. Let's all sing a song together. Thank you, Father, before we end the community hour, and also with the final music. Thank you, friends.
My heart is brimming with delight, thankful for Father's grace. I'm so cozy and I feel just right, in His strong embrace. Once again. My heart is brimming with delight, thankful for Father's grace. I'm so cozy and I feel just right, in His strong embrace.
Now you all will sing.
My heart is brimming with delight, thankful for Father's grace. I am so cozy and I feel just right, in His strong embrace.
Dear friends, may I ask, has anybody felt something during this instant together?
Yes, I felt a very powerful force flowing over my body. It was a very beautiful feeling.
Yes, I felt tingling. Yes, I felt warm.
So, dear friends, many friends from other states and also from different parts of the country, they join together in this hiking, and they also come together for national conference and sometimes regional conference too. So friends, that is divine. That is what Bruno Groening brought us back. He gave us a connection to God again. Originally, the human being was with God. He listened to Him, he understood Him, he did what he wished, and there was peace, there was happiness, until there came another voice which influenced human being. But dear friends, nothing happened at first. Only when human being listened and did what this voice said, in that moment, humanity fell out of divine order. Bruno Groening said that since then, humanity stood here and God there. And in the course of many thousands and thousands of years, a deep abyss developed. And the human being no longer knew how to become one with God again, how to live with God again, how to return to this happy state. But he longed for it. People long for this love, this happiness, this unity. Often they don't know what they are actually seeking, but something within them makes them search, makes them go on and there. Bruno Groening said, I am building a bridge across this abyss, and I lead you over this bridge to the divine path. And there is no incurable, no misfortune, no sorrow. Then there is only joy, harmony and bliss. And dear friends, Bruno Groening has led us onto this path. He built a bridge for us. It has been destroyed before. It was not possible for us to go to this path. God was always there, but He always waited for us. But we no longer knew how to get to Him, and now, dear friends, it is possible. So, many friends have started this path, have already crossed this bridge, and on this path, dear friends, the first thing is the love in our hearts. It is freedom, an uplifting freedom in which our hearts can totally open to love. And it is love which drives friends all over the world to bring people across this bridge. Now, we give it away, let go of it. Bruno Groening does not steal, and therefore we must voluntarily give it to him. Many friends have done this during this course, in the community hours, and so long. So they have been Regulongan. but also healings have taken place, and then now we are ready again. So, dear friends, it is wonderful to see the eyes of friends who experience this wonderful healings help being in the circle of friends. So, we are extremely happy to be in the circle of friends to unite and connect. Let us stay connected. Thank you. Yes, friends. Together, now we are learned about Bruno Groening, his life, his working and his teachings. Yes, even about the Bruno Groening Circle of Friends. I hope all of you enjoyed it, and always remember, Bruno Groening wants to be our friend whole life through. So dear friends, now let us listen to the final music. So friends, I wish you all the very best, and now I want to say goodbye to you until we meet in the next community hour.